Ladies and gentlemen, Casey!
Thanks, Momay!
Ayan, you know what I just found out? Because I heard that last December, both nights already that we're doing the show here, both nights have been sold out.
Woo.
But is it true? Traffic is so bad outside?
Yes.
Really? Oh, ayaw niyo yun? Hindi niyo namimiss ang EDSA? Diba, no? Some people took, what, 3-4 hours getting here?
3 hours.
I heard.
Yeah, well, I mean, thank you again for coming out and
Thank
seeing
you,
my
thank you.
mom.
My daughter.
Mom, thank you for being my mother. But you know what? So many people come and go in this business, and I know that competition is so tough, lalo sa generation ko ngayon. But our country should really learn how to respect icons.
That's right!
Hindi talaga, promise. Huwag mo ako pipigilan, Ma. Mom, you are the megastar.
Yes!
And nothing can change that.
Baby, thank you. Saan
Grabe
naman
yung-
mapupunta to?
Hindi, wala akong kailangan sa'yo, Ma.
Joke.
Hindi, naiyak tuloy ako.
Naiyak tuloy, baby.
Yung mami ko po talagang binibigay niya yung... baka magulgul ako. Binibigay po niya yung puso, yung buhay po niya sa trabaho po niya. Hindi lang po to trabaho for her. So, let's just all remember that she is the megastar.
That's right!
Mom, I want to encourage you because so many people love, respect, and will forever remember you and will pass your work on to their children. Sa lahat ng nakakamiss sa Pilipinas, grabe yung mommy ko. She has been such a big part of our culture, of our country, and I am so proud to be her daughter.
Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen, my mother, the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta. Maraming salamat po, Casey Concepcion!
Pasensya na po kayo. We love our own. Pasensya na po. Nakaka-touch naman tong anak ko. Yan ang mga hindi niya nasasabi sa akin unless nasa stage kami.